सब्सक्राइब कीजिए मेरा ये चैनल, उसके लिए क्लिक कीजिए सब्सक्राइब बटन के ऊपर और उसके बाद क्लिक कीजिए बेल बटन पे और भी नए नए वीडियोस पाने के लिए।
Hello everyone, I'm Nilanjana. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a tutorial of eyeliner. Today I'm using a very affordable as well as branded eyeliner, and I'm using Lakme Insta Liner. As you know already, most of people has this product, and it is a very affordable as well as branded product like Lakme. So it is water resistant as well as it is very easy to remove, as you all know. And so it has 9 ml product in it, and its price is 115, and its color is Z black. So I'll show you the brick. It is very thin and very easy to use. Today I'll show you 5 types of eyeliner looks. So without delay, let's get started.
Make it better together now. Don't be afraid of letting go. I know there's more, we can be free. Open your eyes and see. We are the ones who know the answers, and they ain't never gonna hold us back. They see us rising like we dancers. Imagine life without a purpose. Now picture everything you're fighting for. Now picture everything you're fighting for. Run away, and I know right now we can change anything and make it better together. Now we're strong, don't question it. The truth will break your chains. We have the key. Open your eyes and see. We are the ones who know the answers, and they ain't never gonna hold us back. They see us rising like we dancers. Imagine life without a purpose. Now picture everything you're fighting for. Now picture everything you're fighting for. The truth will break your chains. We have the key. Open your eyes and see. We are the ones who know the answers, and they ain't never gonna.
So friends, these are my 5 types of eyeliner looks. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. So if you like my today's video, then hit the like button, as well as you can share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. So till then, bye bye friends.
Now picture everything